Welcome to the Recon Trader. In today's video, I will share with you the current results of my Engulfing Toro crypto trading bot that I deployed on MUDREX just about 60 days ago, and it is trading on the Binance US exchange, and it's trading ETH USDT. Now, if you're not familiar with MUDREX, they are a crypto trading platform that allows you to configure and deploy your own crypto trading bot strategies. And you can actually get started for free. And the free plan actually allows you to deploy pretty much an unlimited number of crypto trading bots that you would configure yourself based on indicators or patterns. And in this case, the Engulfing Toro bot we'll be reviewing today is a pattern-based strategy. Now, the free plan will suffice for the majority of you out there, but for $16 a month, you could get the premium plan, and that will get you unlimited backtesting. And in my opinion, the backtesting program that MUDREX offers is superior and worth that $16 a month ask. And with that being said, I will drop a link in the description down below, and if you use my link, you will actually get a $25 sign-up bonus for free, and you could actually use that to apply towards the premium membership. However, if you sign up for the premium membership, you'll actually get 1 month free trial of the premium membership. And then after you put it to the live fire test, you could decide whether or not to apply your $25 credit towards the monthly fees. Now that's enough jaw-jacking. Let's take a look at the actual configuration of the Engulfing Toro bot. Now, I have a complete video in my MUDREX YouTube playlist, but today I'm just going to run through it real quick. The buy trigger is based on a pattern block, and the pattern blocks are basically identify candle patterns and use the appearance of patterns as inputs to the strategy. In this case, I'm using it to trigger a buy signal. And the actual pattern I'm looking for is an engulfing pattern. And an engulfing candle pattern basically has a candle that engulfs the body of the previous candle. And in this case on ETH, this is actually the position that the bot currently holds open. And that's from this candle engulfing the previous candle. And I'm still in this position. I think it's up around 15% since the trigger was pulled back here on the actual engulfing candle. And then as far as the sell side, I have set up as the RSI indicator block. And that indicator block, basically you just would populate with an indicator like RSI. And in this case, I have it set up to sell when the RSI over bot level of 90 crosses down through that 90 level. And I really set that up pretty high in order to actually let my stop loss and take profit really execute the close of positions. And in this situation, I have a stop loss set up, and that stop loss is set at 4.7%. And my take profit, you'll see, is set at 14%. So I'm right around a 1 to 3 risk versus reward when it comes to my stop loss and my take profit targets. And I do have trailing limit of 4% turned on, and it seems to work all right in this particular case. Now that's just a quick overview. If you want to see the complete video of how I configure this and do back testing and deploy the bot, again, check out my YouTube playlist under MUDREX, and you'll find the video where I configure this particular bot. Now let's actually get to the numbers. So I deployed this bot 60 days ago, and so far it's up just over 26%, so just about 13% per month. It's actually kind of underperforming, but given the 2 months we're looking at is February and March, which were actually pretty rough months as far as ETH trading goes. There were some big sell-offs. And so with that being the case, I'm not completely disappointed with the performance. Now, April tends to be a better month for crypto, so we'll see how this bot performs in April. Now, my max drawdown was 23%, and I like that to be 25% or lower typically. My Sharpe ratio was only 2, and the reality is 1 is acceptable, 2 is considered good. I prefer it to be 3 or higher. My profit factor was only 1.5, and really with a profit factor, 1 is acceptable, 2 is good, and again, I prefer this to be over 3. And the way you come up with your profit factor is you basically divide your gross profit by your gross loss, and that is how you calculate your profit factor. Now, market returns were 48%, so had I just bought ETH 60 days ago, I'd be up 48% had I just bought and held. So again, the bot is really somewhat underperforming, but again, 60 days is a short time frame in reality for my objective for this bot. Now, the bot did have a losing streak of 4, and I can tell you during that losing streak, it's about a 20% drawdown on those 4 trades. Trades 1, here's proof that you don't have to have a high win rate to be profitable. My trades 1 is only 31% of my trades, yet I'm up almost 30%. And that is due to a strong risk versus reward ratio. In this case, my risk versus reward, my average loss versus my average profit on a win, is approximately 1 to just over 3. So anytime I have a 1 to 3 risk versus reward ratio, I actually only have to be right about 30% of the time to be profitable. Now we can scroll down and take a quick look at the actual transactions that occurred. There's only 16 trades. My bots aren't generally action-packed bots, and so there's 16 trades spread over the 2-month period. And as you can see, in February, where there was a big sell-off around the 23rd through the 26th, 27th range, and there's about 20% drawdown right there. And in reality, to me, that's really what hurt the performance of this bot. But that's crypto trading. We will have those periods where you're going to take these hits, and you have to decide whether or not you have the fortitude to stick with your bot and the battle plan when you deploy that bot. In reality, my losses are really small compared to the wins. A 22% win, almost 15% win, 13.5%, almost 20%, and my current position's up 15%. So overall, if we can eliminate some of these losses, and primarily just this streak here of 4, this bot would be performing up to expectations, but in the long run, it truly is winning the battle. And I think that pretty much wraps it up. I just really wanted to do a quick update on my Engulfing Toro crypto trading bot on the MUDREX platform. I deployed it with 500 USDT in ammo. It's currently at 633 USDT in ammo, or a 26.76% return. So I will continue to do update videos on this particular trading bot. So you might want to shoot that subscribe button now so you don't miss those updates. Also, if you like this video, do me a favor, spike a like. If you have any questions or comments, leave those in the comment section down below. I will leave a link to MUDREX in the description down below, and if you use that link, you'll get a $25 sign-up bonus for free. And in closing, remember, never send your money in the battle without first doing your recon. See you in the next video.